Hi there, this is Sai. I am going to speak about an interesting topic in the digital marketing industry. How does digital marketing help small business owners? Digital marketing is an umbrella term for several strategies that businesses can use to reach their target audiences. The beauty of digital marketing is that it's incredibly versatile. Small businesses can use it to build brand awareness, increase website traffic, generate leads, sell products, and market to customers. In this podcast, we'll take a look at how digital marketing helps small business owners. How digital marketing helps small business owners. Small business owners can use digital marketing in lots of different ways. Online marketing is a cheaper alternative for small businesses since social media, websites, and email marketing are free or at a small price. Small businesses can market online to reach a wider customer base. Small businesses can market online to reach customers in their local area. They can market online to attract customers who are outside their local area. Small businesses can use social media to find new customers. Small businesses can use social media to communicate their brand's message. Social media marketing helps small businesses save money. What are digital marketing channels and why use them? Digital marketing channels allow entrepreneurs to market their products and services online. These channels enable business owners to deliver content, advertising, and brand marketing messages to consumers through various channels. Some examples of digital marketing channels include search engine marketing. SMSM uses paid advertising on search engines like Google. When a consumer uses Google to search for a specific query, ads can appear based on those search queries. SEM is an excellent way for business owners to reach customers searching for particular products or services. Social media marketing. SMM allows business owners to use social media websites like Facebook to market their products or services. SMM can direct consumers to a business's website, encourage consumers to like or follow a business's page, or even purchase products directly from a company's Facebook page. Search engine optimization. SEO helps business owners improve their rankings in online search results. SEO involves creating content on a website, posting links to that content, ensuring that content is optimized for keywords. Content marketing involves creating high quality content, such as blog posts, to attract consumers to a business's website. Consumers will then visit that business's website, learn more about the company, and make a purchase. How to market your small business using digital marketing channels. When marketing your small business, you have several digital marketing channels. Digital marketing channels include online advertising, email marketing, social media marketing, and web content marketing. Online advertising is small business's most common form of digital marketing. You can use online advertising to reach a broad audience through search engine optimization, SEO, and paid search campaigns. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach a small business's customers. With email marketing, you can send automated emails to your customers, which can help you build relationships and keep them updated on your business. Social media marketing is a great way to connect with your customers and build relationships. You can use social media to promote your website, blog, or products. You can also use social media to build customer relationships and create customer testimonials. Web content marketing is another effective way to reach your target audience. You can use web content to create and publish blog posts, articles, and ebooks. You can also use web content to create visual content, such as infographics and videos. Digital marketing channels are a great way to reach your small business's customers. Using email marketing, social media marketing, and web content marketing, you can build relationships with your customers and create content relevant to their needs. How to implement and execute digital marketing strategies for your small business. If you are a business owner, you already know that being online is just as important as being in a physical location. Whether you're doing online marketing, social media marketing, or email marketing, you need to be visible online to grow your small business. With the digital marketing world being as competitive as it is, you must have a good plan. When you're trying to implement a good digital marketing strategy, there are some essential steps that you need to take. First and foremost, you need to set a budget for your digital marketing plan. Refrain from assuming that you're going to spend $500 on marketing because if you're starting with nothing, then that's not realistic. However, for most small businesses, $500 to $5,000 is a realistic budget for their marketing. When you have your budget set, you'll want to set goals. Of course, you will only sometimes be able to achieve your goals, but it's essential to have a plan before you start so that you can measure your progress. For example, if your goal is to get 100 followers on your social media accounts, then you'll measure your progress by how many followers you have after you have finished your campaign. After you've set a budget and goals and planned everything out, it's time to start executing your plan. Once you're done planning, you can implement your strategies like email marketing, social media marketing, or pay-per-click. How to measure your ROI from digital marketing? Look at the overall picture to track return on investment ROI through digital marketing. Rather than looking at specific channels, look at the connections between them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you found this video is informative, follow me for more videos. Thank you.